In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find all your replies on threads. So if you had replied to any thread, either on your post or someone else's post on threads, you can find all your replies all at one place. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So I'll go ahead and just open this post, then reply to it, and I'll make just a response. Let me respond to it and then send my response, then wait for it to be published. You can see here now it has been posted. So this is a comment that I made here, and now it means that I responded on this post. And should I want to see all those replies that I made or response that I made on any account or even my posts, just go to profile icon here. Under this, change from threads to replies. So if I tap on replies, now you can see I just responded to this account with an amen just 1 minute ago. You should also be able to see the previous response or replies that you made on previous posts. So that's how you can find all your replies on threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.